Hey guys, and welcome back to this brand new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Twitch layout. For example, you're just starting off on Twitch and you want something around your webcam and also a little bit of the message boxes and donations and all that kind of stuff. You want that somewhere on the screen, alright? So I'm going to show you today how to make that layout actually, so that you can provide more quality to your streams. So it's actually pretty easy. We're going to go to new and I'm going to take the size, so the width and the height of a normal video, which is 920 by 1080, and of course we want to apply the layout on a screen that is the same as a video, so be sure that this has the same width and height of a video. In pixels, of course, RGB color is recommended. I'm actually gonna do here, I'm gonna go to background contrast and I'm gonna choose transparent, click OK, and now we have this. Basically this here is pretty much your video, okay? So I can also put a screenshot of Fortnite, for example, here, and that is basically where this will be around. But we're gonna place something here, here, and here, or something, I don't know. So to actually start off, I'm gonna go to this one here. So this tool will actually help you to make shapes, which is what I'm gonna start off with. Let's say we have the webcam here, so let's put it somewhere with this color, somewhere like this. It doesn't matter, I can change it afterwards. Now your webcam generally isn't like this or like this. It's most likely something like this. Let's say like this for the moment. Okay, so I'm gonna place that right here. There we go. That's pretty nice. Now actually what I'm gonna do, this is just a little look that gives a little nice look to your webcam layout. So I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna make the color slightly different. Let's see. I'm gonna go here, up here, and then let's make the color brighter, like a brighter bluish color. It's not actually on top. Oh wait, it is, yes. So let me just change it. So what I'm going to do, basically I'm going to turn it around a little bit, and maybe you already see what I'm doing here. I basically make the layout pretty much different and just a little bit more stylish. Now there are thousands of ways to actually make a webcam, what was it called? A webcam border, you know, something from around your webcam. There are thousands of ways to do it. Actually today I'm going to show you something like this. It's not bad. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's really basic and yeah, really easy to make, as you can see. Now I actually want to know if this is better, if it's underneath or above the... Yeah, this is better. This is better. Okay, so from here what we want to do actually is, let me just place another one. Just one that is, no, you know what? I'm going to duplicate it again. The first rectangle, duplicate. I'm gonna make it the same size and everything, but I'm gonna make it smaller overall, like this. And this will where our video will be, okay, imagine. So I'm gonna put it at 80, something like that. So, now you know what, something like more, like 85. Well, I have to go 5 over then in that case. Yeah, something like that is good. Okay, so I'm gonna change the color. Let's say white for the moment. Don't need, I'm not actually gonna put a webcam there neither, I think. It's not all above it. There we go. So just ignore this. Basically this white thing will be your face cam, okay? So just ignore that's white. It makes it look pretty much worse. But yeah, just imagine your head is here with your room and everything, or your green screen. Doesn't matter. In any case, this is your webcam. So yeah, what we basically already have here are these 3 elements that basically is a way to make a border for your face cam, for your webcam. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put these 3. This is optional, but just really helps in the future. I'm gonna make a group of it, click Control and I hold Control and I click G. I made a group, I'm gonna name it web, that's not how you write it, cam border. There we go. And yeah, just basically now can all move at the same time too. So I can be like, oh, let's put a little bit like here. You know, we can see that afterwards, it's not really important right now. So the next thing we have to do, this is optional. Now we're really into the preferences of what you want, you know, so you can edit things now, but it is really what you want. So you're gonna have to see a little bit what you want to look in your mind, what you actually would like to do next right now. And basically what I want to do right next is, you probably have seen it. I mean, it's used a lot in live videos. I'm not sure how good it will look in this. I mean, it looks pretty average, you know, but it's just to show you that, for example, you're doing this gameplay and you want people to donate. And actually to give the people credits, you know, to thank them and everything, you can put them here. Now actually with Twitch it will probably be automatic that Twitch will make taxes pass like this, you know, like oh, the gamer 77 donated $5, you know, it will just go like this. That is what Twitch will do, but you will see that when you will start with Twitch, you will see what you can do in the layout. And basically they will, the Twitch, so with your actually Twitch, your thing editor, you can actually make all the donations, for example, passing here. So we wouldn't really need this anymore. I'm just gonna do one thing, it's optional. Of course, I'm gonna see if the opacity, if I put it down, you know, like Now you can't really see it right now, but believe me, it will look better. So I put it at like, what is this, 80% I think. So yeah, that's also a thing to do. Now I actually want to add a third thing just to show you the last touch of this this layout. Let's see, what can we add? Oh, I know something. So what we can do, I can put some of my social media here, you know, to promote. So we can also add a little nice effect to that. So let me just actually duplicate it again from here. Let's see, duplicate. There we go. Purple is really our main color in this project, I guess. So we're gonna take this, make it smaller, of course. Something like this, you know, that one social media will fit in, and I'll put another one here and here. So let's just keep this at 100% opacity. Actually, let's not change it like this. Actually gonna duplicate it this again. So I want the same color of that one too. So I'm just gonna take it. It's gonna, no, it's not gonna do that well. I did Ctrl Z, by the way. So duplicate, change a little bit. Let's say like this. This is really slightly. This, we will really have to do this a little bit. Actually put this down a little bit. How's it gonna look the best? Actually like this maybe. Yeah, probably like this is better. I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna put it up 2-3 times. There we go, and then change the one underneath to a brighter one, which will be in this case this one. So I'm gonna take this light color, just gonna take off the code here. There we go, and I'm just gonna make it the second or the first one. Let's see what looks best. Bam. Let's see what looks best. Let's do something like this. Just gonna move this one a little bit. Let's see. Just like this is good. All right. So yeah, that looks pretty good actually. You can put, of course, more effort in it, but I'm showing here you how to, yeah, just actually make, yeah, your layout. So I'm gonna put on social media here. Just gonna do it random. Just gonna link some of the social medias. This is optional, of course. I'm gonna put these. I only have an Instagram. Okay. I actually do only have Instagram on my channel. That's actually SvenDesigns YT. It's actually my my actual Instagram, so you can always follow me there if you want. There's all my Bonnet projects are there. But anyway, I can do this and deselect, put this right here. Gonna make it smaller. If you want the same size, you click this, of course. Just be sure that it fits in there in the bar. Okay, you don't we don't want that. Put it back at 0. So now I'm actually gonna put it here. Make it a little bit smaller yet, like this. There we go, and probably make it white because it looks better. Bam, yes, it does. No, a little bit more smaller, actually. There we go. Yeah, that will be good. Don't have to be too difficult about that. Let's put it in white also. Sven Games, how original. There we go. Gonna put it like this. Gonna say Roboto. That's a pretty good font. Gonna say medium probably. Medium or bold. Yeah, probably bold. It looks best in those cases. So there we go. A little bold font here next to my Instagram. It doesn't exist, of course, this one. Something like this probably. One back. Oh, that was the wrong one. I meant the text. There we go. Yeah, so basically there I have one link with my social media. So one thing I want to add, also optional of course, I'm gonna do a place where my name is. So kind of a name tag, I guess, underneath here. So I can put it like this. Probably gonna use the same purple as in the beginning. Not sure if it really does match with the rest. Let's see. In any case, I want to put the same size. There we go. And let's probably make it way lighter or way different color than the rest actually to distinguish it from it. Let's say pretty, that's too light. It's pretty much an ugly one. I want a pretty nice bluish color. So let's say, you can't see it immediately, that's annoying. A bit lighter, I guess. A little bit more like here. I like it over here somewhere. It looks way too much like the other one. Almost white then, I guess, if there's a nice transition here. It's gonna be really light blue. Yeah, I guess that gets the job done. Yeah, it's pretty nice actually. Sven Games owns again. I'm gonna put it right here. It actually doesn't say Sven Games, okay. Sven Games. Really funny. Sven Games. Could put a little logo or a little symbol next to it to make it look better, but this actually already works pretty nice, as you can see. Let's put a little bit bigger so that you know how I'm called. So like this, put it in the middle basically. That's pretty much the middle. And yeah, there we go. A nice layout for your Twitch. Really, if you do it in a color of like 1 or 2 or 3 colors, like I used the purple, I used the mid blue and a pretty light blue here, as you can see, and yeah, of course the white, that gives a little touch on extra. You can see you can make something really nice and pretty simple, and now you can just put a screenshot, or not a screenshot of course, you're gonna put this over your videos, And here will be your Facecam, extra social media probably, and here will all of the donations go through. Twitch will do that once again. They will go with all of the donations or text that you actually want to apply. You can put another smaller one underneath where you put text, and here the donations. Text is you or Twitch. Anyway, that is up to the whole Twitch thing. In any case, if you really want to get into Twitch, if you has this layout and you start off and your video quality, so the gaming that you play probably is also really HD, you're up to a really good start, and this will definitely help to improve it. But some little time in a layout. If you can't come up with a layout like that, I have to admit, but if you really can't find anything or just don't want to think about it really, online of course there are a lot of people, or if you have seen your favorite Twitcher that has actually a pretty nice one, you can copy that. Just basically really look good to what they do, and just, yeah, I guess look at this video what I just did, and in combination, so if you look that video, you are like, oh, I want that layout, and you look this video like, oh my god, yeah, I need this and this for my layout, then just copy that and just combine the video with my tutorial, and you also have a really nice Twitch layout. I really hope you helped you out here. I pretty much enjoy my final result as a Twitch layout. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, would really appreciate that. Subscribe also be really appreciated, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye.